Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to carry out RFID inventory based on an inventory document. Here's what we'll need. Web application. RFID cycle counting mobile application. Here you can see the screen of the device. A mobile device with an RFID reader and a few demo items with RFID tags. First, let's upload our inventory document through the web panel. I have an example document here. You can see it lists items with their quantities. Now I'll upload it using the web panel. We click the upload button, select the correct template, then simply drag and drop the file onto the panel and press import. We can see the document has been loaded onto the device. It's visible in the list. Let's open it. We see the list of items and start scanning the tags. After scanning all the tags, let's check what we got. Some items were found in full. For one item, we found more than expected, and for another, less than expected. In total, there are 6 items across 5 document entries. Inventory is complete. Let's take a look at the result in the Excel file. To do this, we'll submit the document. Select Excel and enter your email address to receive the results. The document has been sent. Let's put the device aside and check the email. Switching over to my email tab now. I can see the email just arrived. I open it and find the attached file with the inventory results. Inside the file, I can see the counted items, their actual quantities, and the differences from the expected amounts. This is how easily we completed the RFID inventory based on inventory listing and got the results in an Excel file. Thanks for watching and all the best to you.